He's muffling like crazy. I think I made him mad because I told him earlier he was muffling.
Georgie just wants to lazy bones will go.
Yeah, good evening to you. Happy 2018. They call me Hamma Slamma in Georgia, Breda. Yeah, Pro-10. Hey, we didn't want to put that wave. I heard you out there talking to a rocket man. I want to say good evening to you, Mountain Man, New Jersey. Hamma Slamma in Georgia, back quiet. What's going on? Did he get...
It is Hamma Slamma.
I just don't even tell him no more. Pro-10, I appreciate the comeback. Come back quiet. Cool run, cool run. Cool run in the front line. Cool run, cool run. No. I don't hear no echo. Hey, good evening out here, DX Lab. Anybody else out here? They call me Hamma Slamma. Oh, Hamma Slamma, the Woods, way they got down. Yeah, I got you. Got one eye on that buckeye.
Roger on the high of 12 degrees. Oh, that's cold. All right, man. Happy holidays. Happy New Year to you. Merry New Year.
Yeah. I guess everybody better probably this thing out of lost little condition. Oh, Hamma Slamma, Woods.
I believe Sandman from Daytona Beach is talking to another Sandman up there in the Carolinas. Let me give that 2018 wave.
Sandman in North Carolina, 109 Orlando.
Up there around Rhode Island, we go now.
Hello, Sandman. Hey, Sandman, North Carolina. Sounding real good down here in Orlando, 109 waving. Wow, East Coast Sandman. Yeah, Tim Moore. All right, 707 Sandman. One little mic things like Hill's got it down there. You hook your mic. Sandman, North Carolina, 109 Orlando, stepping. Bye-bye. Yeah, you screw your mic in there, it tells you which one it goes, what it fits, when you do your ends on your mic, when you plugged it in that little box a minute ago. He's got a brand new one down there. I started buying that thing.
109, down there on the pile, 122 Maine, waving.
Flame, what's that one we were talking to earlier? I got you 122. You copy 454, Virginia.
454 Virginia, I got a good copy on you, sir. Sound real good. 122, letting you know.
Roger, 122. Happy New Year. You sounding good down here, too.
Right back at you, 454. Have yourself a very happy New Year. A good 2018. A 454 got it going on. Virginia, 122, waving.
Virginia. Yeah. Same guy, he talking to some man in Virginia. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he's out now. Oh, yeah. That rider bait.
Still sounding good, 400, a 400 Kentucky. You're still sounding good, a 122. Bumping it down, just letting you know.
Yeah, you sound good. Hey, 122 doorknob waving that 4-1 out there.
Hey, good afternoon, doorknob. Waving right back, sir. Rough and tough, absolutely rough and tough. Whole bunch of carriers are rolling on into New England. Absolutely are. 122 northeast corner, letting you know.
10-4, y'all sounding good down here, West. 122, I'm in the state of Maine. Hello, one. Yeah, come on. Happy New Year, your friend 109 Orlando waving.
Hey, 109. Hey, 109 down there in Orlando. I don't know if we're making it back into your receive, but hey, absolutely good hearing you rolling up into the corner. 109. Hope you and yours had yourself a good new year, a good 2018 coming on up. 109, 122. Just trying to kick it back.
Conditions on them. Yeah, come on. You see what we did here?
Hello, 122, 220, South Carolina, waving a hand.
22. Yeah, 10-4.
And 220 South Carolina. You rolled right up in there like a jack in the box. So hey, we're gonna bump it down. I'll wave a hand at you. Sounding good, sir.
125, 200.
JJ, 122, all the good numbers, you and yours. 122, New Year, 220, South Carolina, we back west.
2018 North in Tennessee.
And on that one, 220, hey, we're going to take a stood by up here in the corner. We've been out here ratchet jarring for a while. Say 220, South Carolina. Definitely been a pleasure. 122, state of Maine waving from way up north. Bye.
22, no name